Good morning, students. Today, Tuesday. I'm your Vittal school teacher. Okay, students, had your breakfast? Yes. Are you all happy? Okay. Hope you all doing well, right? Okay. Last class, what we have seen, are you all remember? Students, are you read it again? You have to read again and again. That time you have to fully understood and you can know. Okay. You have to often read it and memorize that. Okay, students, let me recall the last class. Shapes. Square. 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 Circle. CIRCLE. Square. Triangle. 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 It have a trifaces. 1, 2, 3. Triangle. Oval. 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 Rectangle. 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 Semicircle. 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 Cylinder. 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 Cube. 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 Pentagon. 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 Hexagon. 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 Cone. 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 Octagon. 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 Then directions. North. 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 East. 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 South. 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 West. 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 Month. 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 Okay, students, in Tamil directions, Disaigal. Disaigal. North. Vadakku. Vadakku. East. Kilakku. Kilakku. South. Terku. Terku. West. Merku. Merku. North. Vadakku. Vadakku. East. Kilakku. Kilakku. South. Terku. Terku. West. Merku. Merku. Then month. 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 January. N-U-A-R-Y, January. February, F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y, February. March, M-A-R-C-H, March. April, A-P-R-I-L, April. May, M-A-Y, May. June, J-U-N-E, June. July, J-U-L-Y, July. August, A-U-G-S-T, August. September, S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R, September. October, O-C-T-O-B-E-R, October. November, N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R, November. December, D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R, December. Days, Sunday. Days means கிழமைகள். Days in Tamil, கிழமைகள். கிழமைகள், கிழமைகள். Sunday, Sunday in Tamil, ஞாயிற்றுக்கிழமை. ஞாயிற்றுக்கிழமை. Monday, Monday in Tamil, திங்கட்கிழமை. திங்கட்கிழமை. Tuesday, Tuesday in Tamil, செவ்வாய்க்கிழமை. செவ்வாய்க்கிழமை. Wednesday, Wednesday in Tamil, புதன்கிழமை. புதன்கிழமை. Thursday, Thursday in Tamil, வியாழக்கிழமை. வியாழக்கிழமை. Friday, Friday in Tamil, வெள்ளிக்கிழமை. Friday in Tamil, வெள்ளிக்கிழமை. And then Saturday, Saturday in Tamil, சனிக்கிழமை. சனிக்கிழமை. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. In Tamil, last class we have to see Tamil letters in days. Okay, students? Today, my house. Here, see this picture. It's so colorful, right? See, house. It is the house. H-O-U-S-E, house. H-O-U-S-E, house. Drawing room. Inside the house, we have drawing room, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom and study room, right? So many rooms we have. Let me read. It is drawing room. D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing room. R-O-O-M, room, drawing room. Kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. Bathroom. B-A-T-H, bath, room. R-O-O-M, room, bathroom. Bedroom. B-E-D, bed, room. R-O-M, room, bedroom. Study room. S-T-U-D-Y, study room. R-O-O-M, room, study room. See, in drawing room, we have to entertain? Like draw a pictures. Yes, we have to enhance our drawing skill. And kitchen. Kitchen, we have to make cooking, like food. And bathroom, we have to take bath and brush in bathroom. And then we have to sleep. So we have to sleep in the bedroom. And study room. Study is very, very important to us, right? So you have to read your lessons in study room. Okay, next, my school. My school. Here, this is school. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. In school, what we have seen? Classroom, laboratory, library, playground, auditorium, etc. Right? So, we have inside the school campus. Classroom. C-L-A-S-S-R-O-O-M. Classroom. We have to study in the school, in our classroom, right? Then laboratory. Laboratory means we have to practically learning in lab. That is called as laboratory. L-A-B-O-R-A-T-O-R-Y. Laboratory. L-A-B-O-R-A-T-O-R-Y. Laboratory. And library. Library have so many books, right? So many different kinds of books, different genre books. Yes, all those things have a library. Library. L-I-B-R-A-R-Y. Library. L-I-B-R-A-R-Y. Library. Playground. P-L-A-Y. Play. Ground. G-R-O-U-N-D. Ground. Playground. Auditorium. A-U-D-I-T-O-R-I-U-M. Auditorium. A-U-D-I-T-O-R-I-U-M. Auditorium. School, classroom, laboratory, library, playground, auditorium. In house, house, drawing room, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, study room. Then currency. Then currency. Currency means money, right? Here see, it is pink color. It have 2000. What? 2000 rupees note. 2000 rupees note. 2000. It called 1000. 2000. 2000 rupee note. See, 500. 500. It have 20, so it is 100. 500 rupee note. 500 rupee note. Here see, 100 rupee note. 100 rupee note. 50. 50 rupee note. 50, right? 50 rupee note. 20 rupee note. 20, 20. 20 rupee note. And then 10 rupee note. 10. 10 rupee note. Next, 5 rupee note. 5. 5 rupee note. 2 rupee note. 2 rupees. Right? 2. In those days, the people have 2 rupee note, 1 rupee note, 5 rupee note. But we can't see Nowadays, 2 rupee, 1 rupee. 2 rupee note and 1 rupee note. 1 rupee note. Here, coins. Coins. C-O-I-N-S. Coins. 10 rupee coin. 10 rupee. 10 rupee. 5 rupee. 5 rupee. 2 rupee. 2 rupee. 1 rupee. 1 rupee. And 50 paise. 50 paise. And 25 paise. 25 paise. Here nowadays, we can't see that. Okay. You see 10 rupee coin, 5 rupee, 2 rupee, 1 rupee. But 50 paise, 25 paise. No. When I was young, that time I can see 50 rupees, 25 paise, 2 rupee note, 5 rupee note and 1 rupee note. I can see. Then national symbols. National symbols. National emblem. National emblem. It have 4 line face. Here 1, 2, 3 and behind the statue it have 1 line face. Totally 4 face is there. National emblem. This called as national emblem. This is our national flag. National flag. National flag. Here saffron color, white color, blue color and green color. It is our national flag. Then national flower. National flower is lotus. Our national flower is lotus. National animal tiger. National animal tiger. N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L. National animal. A-N-I-M-A-L. Animal tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. And national bird. National bird peacock. National bird peacock. National emblem. This is our national emblem. This is our national flag. This is our national flower. That is lotus. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. This is our national animal. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. This is our national bird. Peacock. Peacock. Currency note. 2000 rupee note. 500 rupee note. 100 rupee note. 50 rupee note. 20 rupee note and 10 rupee note. 5 rupee note. 2 rupee note and 1 rupee note. Coins. 10 rupee. 5 rupee. 2 rupee. 1 rupee and 50 paise, 25 paise. Yes. Let me recall today's class. Yes. My house. House. H-O-U-S-E. House. Drawing room. D-R-A-W-I-N-G. Drawing room. R-O-O-M. Room. Drawing room. Kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. Bathroom. B-A-T-H-R-O-O-M. Bathroom. Bedroom. B-E-D-R-O-O-M. Bedroom. Study room. S-T-U-D-Y. Study room. R-O-O-M. Study room. Then my school. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Classroom. C-L-A S-S-R-O-O-M, classroom. Laboratory, L-A-B-O-R-A-T-O-R-Y, laboratory. Library, L-I-B-R-A-R-Y, library. Playground, P-L-A-Y-G-R-O-U-N-D, playground. Auditorium, A-U-D-I-T-O-R-I-U-M, auditorium. A-U-D-I-T-O-R-I-U-M, auditorium. My house, house, drawing room, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom and study room. My school, school, classroom, laboratory, library, playground, auditorium. And then currency, right? 2000, 500, 100, 50, 20, 10, 5 rupee note, 2 rupee and 1 rupee note. Yes. Coins, 10, 5, 2, 1, 50 paise, 25 paise. National symbols, national emblem, national flag, national flower lotus, national animal tiger, national bird peacock. National emblem, national flag, national flower lotus, national animal tiger and national bird peacock. Okay students, you have to read and understood and you have to memorize the national symbols, currency and coins, and then your school and its room, my house and its room also you have to know and memorize that. Okay students, you have to know about shapes, directions, month, days, colors, seasons, all those things you have to understood with memorizing. Okay students, keep safe at your home and let's start the class in next class. Okay, let's continue. Okay students, thank you. Keep safe at your home. You have to read all those things. Thank you.